Today I am reviewing the Apple AirPods 4 wireless earbuds. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Apple AirPods 4 wireless earbuds are the latest in Apple's lineup of high-end audio devices, combining cutting-edge technology, comfort, and convenience to give users an exceptional listening experience. Whether you're a music lover, gamer, or just someone who wants seamless integration with your Apple devices, these earbuds deliver in every way. Let's start with the design and comfort. Apple has completely redesigned the AirPods 4 for all-day wear. They now feature a refined contour and a shorter stem, giving them a sleek, modern look while ensuring a secure fit. The earbuds are lightweight and stable, so you can wear them for hours without discomfort. Additionally, quick press controls allow you to play, pause, skip tracks, and answer calls without touching your phone. This makes them perfect for busy lifestyles, workouts, or long commutes. Next, let's talk about audio performance. The AirPods 4 are powered by Apple's H2 chip, which delivers personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking. This technology creates an immersive, three-dimensional listening experience, making it feel like the sound is coming from all around you. Whether you're watching a movie, listening to music, or gaming, the audio is crisp, clear, and incredibly lifelike. The voice isolation technology also enhances call quality by filtering out background noise, ensuring that your voice is always heard clearly. The battery life is another major highlight. On a single charge, the AirPods 4 offer up to 5 hours of listening time. With the redesigned USB-C charging case, you get a total of up to 30 hours of usage. The case is compact, easy to carry, and charges quickly, giving you more freedom to stay connected throughout your day. Apple also focused on durability and water resistance. The AirPods 4 and the case are IP54 rated, meaning they're resistant to dust, sweat, and water. This makes them ideal for workouts, running, or even using in the rain without worrying about damage. Integration with the Apple ecosystem makes these earbuds truly magical. Pairing is effortless. Just bring the AirPods near your iPhone, tap connect, and you're ready. Siri is fully integrated, allowing you to play music, make calls, check your schedule, and even respond with a simple nod or shake of your head. You can also share audio between two sets of AirPods seamlessly, and the earbuds automatically pause playback when removed from your ears. Another notable feature is personalized spatial audio, which adapts to your ear shape and creates a customized listening experience. Every note, instrument, and vocal is optimized for your hearing, making music, podcasts, and movies sound more vibrant and detailed than ever. The AirPods 4 also include features for health and convenience. They are sweat and water resistant, making them perfect for workouts, and they integrate perfectly with iOS features like Find My, allowing you to locate your AirPods or charging case if misplaced. In summary, the Apple AirPods 4 wireless earbuds are a premium choice for anyone looking for outstanding audio quality, comfort, durability, and seamless integration with Apple devices. From their sleek design to advanced H2 chip features, immersive spatial audio, and long-lasting battery, these earbuds provide a listening experience that is unmatched in their category. Whether you're listening to music, taking calls, watching movies, or playing games, the AirPods 4 deliver exceptional sound, convenience, and performance, making them Apple's best earbuds to date. If you want a pair of wireless earbuds that truly elevate your daily audio experience, the Apple AirPods 4 are an investment that won't disappoint.